Hi guys, next we'll understand how to deploy the previous project which we have done in the previous session. We have deployed or executed the Struts project through Eclipse. Let us say if we don't have Eclipse or some problem with the Eclipse, I want to deploy this manually on the server. So how we can deploy it? Look at here. So what we can do, we have created project by using Eclipse, right? So we have written all the code. Now what we can do, we can just say right click on this project here and say export. Export what? WAR file, web archive. Okay, it's having like sublet, filters, JSP, XML file, web.xml. All these files are there. All the library file are there. Whatever the jar files we are having, all it will combine and it will make a single file, and that is the WAR file because it's a web application file, right? So once you are saying WAR file, okay, it will ask for the destination where you want to create this file. So what you can do, you can select the F drive, some location you can select. Okay, and since you have selected this project by default, so coming this name, and then say here you want to source, just say export source file also. If you don't want, don't check this, right? And then say finish. Once you are saying finish, the WAR file is ready. Okay, WAR file is ready in your F drive. Like we are having zip file, no? We compress all the files and we make a single file, right? Similarly, we are having web archive file. So it is a collection of some of the XML, servlet, JSP configurations file and all, right? Now what you have to do, you have to start your server. So you can start the server. You can just go to the Tomcat, Catalina and bin folder, right? Okay. In the bin folder, you just type Tomcat 6 or a startup. Okay. So once you are saying Tomcat 6, your server will start. How we can come to know server has been started or not? Okay, you will get a message. What message? Server startup in this much millisecond, 3957 millisecond, right? And then, or better you come to the browser and type http://localhost:8080. The Tomcat manager page will come. Go to the Tomcat manager and the page will come here, right? So this is my Tomcat web application manager. List of application will come here, right? If this screen you are getting, it means you have successfully installed Tomcat in your system. Okay, now next, if you scroll down that page, you will get a block here, that WAR file to deploy. Okay, so select your WAR file where you have given. You have mentioned in a F drive, right? So just select the F drive WAR file, browse it first and then say deploy. Once you say deploy, okay, that deployment will happen. Okay, else you can copy this file to web apps folder. Automatically it will extract once you just restart your server and you will get it. There's a number of ways to deploy the application. Okay, so I hope you understood this now. You can see clearly here the application after deployment, you will get it here. You must notice it should be true, status should be true. Okay, if it is false, means your application has not deployed properly. It means there is a error with some of the configuration file. Once deployment is okay, you will get running value true. Okay. Now once you click on this link, I mean if you click it here, Struts2 hello world link, this link, it will bring you to this page, first page, index page. Struts application started with the index page, right? And now you are just, you can enter the name here, something, some value you can enter here, right? So I just enter here gyms. Okay. Once I enter gyms and I say click here, the button, I'll come to the another page, and the output is what? Hi, I am James. You are in the world of Struts2 framework. Okay. So that's all about the developing and deployment of the struts. In the next session, we'll understand how to develop a struts application for uploading the files, how to develop the struts application for validation our form, okay, how to develop a struts application to connect with the database, that all we see. Okay, so that's all about the development and deployment of the